Welcome to another unboxing video. See, whenever I tell people that there is nothing they cannot order from China, they don't used to believe me. So I'm going to shock you right now, yeah, with what I've got inside this box. So wait for it. Wait to see what I have got in here. I know you're going to be shocked. It's definitely going to shock you. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Can you see that? It's a CCTV camera. Yes, so we decided to get a CCTV camera to protect our home. It is very important. Mm-hmm. So you know that you can get this CCTV camera too from China 1688 by yourself. Yeah. So wait for the next products. You know what it is? It's human hair wig. Yes, original 100% human hair. Yes, I've been buying hair from China for a while now. I think for the past 2 years. If you see me wear any hair, it's from China. I've also ordered for other customers. So this is to let you know that you can also order human hair from China. Yes, like this one is 8 inches short bob wig. It is very fluffy, very silky, very beautiful. You should get one for yourself too, right? If you need it, just give me a DM. I can help you get it, and I will tell you the price. So let us get on to the next product. The next product is this one. I don't want to tell you what it is. Yes, I don't want to tell you what it is yet. So just wait for my next video. I'm going to show you what it is and how to use it. So this next product is a carburetor. Yes, you know this trendy carburetor that you can now use for your gas. You can connect it with your cooking gas to generator. So to it's the cooking gas doesn't consume much like fuel. Fuel is now expensive in Nigeria, so this is what people are using now. It's safe. I've seen someone use it and it's okay. You can just use it to connect to your cooking gas and connect it to your generator. So instead of fuel, you'll be using cooking gas to power the house, and it will save you the cost of buying fuel all the time. This one is very okay. So guys, if you need it, holla at me, holla at your girl, send me a DM on Instagram, and I will help you get as many as you want. So let us move on to the next product to be unboxed. Yeah. I hope you are loving all these products already, and don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe if you are new here, and also drop your comments. And you can, yeah, this one is another CCTV camera. This one is big. Yeah, so it's good to protect your home from all those bad belly people that want to come and be peeping and looking for what to steal or do whatsoever is in their mind, because in this life you don't know what is in the mind of people. So that's why we need to look for security methods to secure our homes and protect our homes from all these yama yama set of people. So guys, I hope you love all these products. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.